Alright, so what we're going to try to do before we actually replace this radiator is we're going to have to take off this thermostat housing and remove the thermostat. But before we can even do that, because this bolt is easy access, right directly underneath it, you could barely see it, but the serpentine belt is blocking the bolt. What we need to do to actually take off this serpentine belt is that there is a bolt right here, and that bolt loosens up this pulley down here. You can barely see it. We were suspecting that it might be getting locked in position where it doesn't let the water flow, but after we ran and tested it, it's definitely the radiator. Now we just put it back on. All right, so prior to actually starting this video, we already drained all the water from this radiator. So now we read the instructions on this coolant flush, and right now my son's actually going to do it. Since we took the thermostat out, I'm just kind of squeezing this hose real quick, trying to get some air bubbles out, try to get it filled up a little bit quicker. Yeah, this radiator is pretty clogged up. I'm sure you guys can see that, but just believe me when I tell you, there's a lot of debris inside of these cores. Here we go. All right, I'll hold it right now when you turn your car. Go ahead and turn it on. Okay. All right, so he's gonna be just driving this a little bit. Just gonna try to warm it up a little bit. You guys can see right there on the gauge. I think another 5 more minutes of driving, and we'll head back home and drain everything out and start replacing this radiator.
This thing won't spin.
Why do you need it to spin?
So I can get the one on the bottom.
Look at that. Fan and shroud out. So what do we got to look at here? So my son wants to do a electric fan upgrade on this. It gives an idea how much space it would be with an electric fan. The electric fan will probably stick out to this much. You have all this free space in here. That's a lot of space. All right, so here's a new radiator from AutoZone, and let's open it up real quick. This is the one that we're gonna be putting on in place of that one right there. This is definitely an upgraded version of the one that's on there right now. Slip this down. So the new radiator is finally installed. Looks pretty nice. Real clean looking, that's for sure. Brand new. Aluminum core, a lot lighter. I don't know why the other one was so heavy, but this one's completely aluminum with the plastic. It's considerably lighter. I would say at least 10 pounds lighter. I don't think that makes a big difference on the Jeep like this, but it's looking really nice. You can see from the front. I did paint that reinforcement bar. It's like a V. I didn't repaint that black because it was pretty rusty. But man, you can see right through that radiator. All right, so it's finally installed. Just gotta do the rest, but now it's a little... for the oil change right here, but I believe he's going to be doing that right now.
Yeah, I'll do the oil change.
His own oil change. And I'm going to be opening up that transmission, so a lot of things are going to be happening at one time.
Is it on, off?
There we go.
Oh, wow. That's a little tight. Alright, I'm not gonna use this for now. I was gonna crawl under. I need
Okay.
more space to pull.
Okay. You can do it. There it goes. Okay, so let's put this in a way where it's gonna start streaming that way. So let's make sure it goes into there and onto you. Please turn this around. Let's catch it like that. You look so focused on what you're doing.
You do?
You.
Oh. It's because I want to. I don't
Or
want
you
to.
falling asleep.
I'm not.
There you go.
Whoa.
There you go. They definitely put this on pretty tight because I can't take it off.
Oh, it's going.
Is it?
Yeah, it's going.
Okay, there we go. There it goes. Cut the thread. And it does not have to be that tight. There we go. Looks like you got the GTX high mileage.
Mm-hmm.
All right. There you go. Okay. Try not to spill any. And really try not to get any of these little pieces of aluminum in your engine.
Yeah.
That's good. That's not gonna come off.
Mm.
You gotta be real careful. Watch. Oh. Let's pour it a little. I missed a little bit. It wasn't that bad.
It's a little overfilled, but we could fix it if it becomes an issue. And now we're gonna put on the engine oil cap. But first we have to clean up the oil that my dad spilled. And after that, it's done.